Welcome back to the Fadhili family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell to be notified each time we post any new video. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching our content. And for the premiere gang, I cannot thank you enough for always being there when we premiere our video. And on today's video, we are going to be making the fruit custard dessert. And for the ingredients, we have custard powder, sugar, milk. I have the fruit toppings. I have grapes, blueberries, cherries, an apple, and a ripe banana. So join me on to the process. So in my cooking pot, I'm going to be adding my glass of milk, and I will bring this to a boil. And as this is boiling, I'm going to be mixing my custard powder on a separate glass. So in about 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls of milk, I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoonfuls of custard powder. So this is the way the custard powder looks like. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoonfuls of it into the milk. The milk is room temperature. Then we are going to give this a good mix until it has all mixed.
Hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love.
So once your milk has come to a boil, add your custard powder that you had mixed with milk, like that. And at this point in time, continuously stir your custard to avoid any lumps. And you will stir this until it is fully cooked.
You should take me to church.
So at this point in time, we shall be cooking under low heat because custard can easily burn. And as you stir, you will realize that your custard will thicken. So remember, the consistency of your custard will depend upon how you mix it with your milk. So you will continuously stir until it cooks, because once you stop stirring, it can form lumps. So guys, at this point in time, our custard is about to get ready. And just before we turn it off on the stove, I'm going to be adding sugar. Remember, sugar is optional. You can either use sugar at this point. You can use a sweetener of your choice. You may also choose to use honey, or even take it just the way it is. So after adding the sugar, also continuously stir so that the sugar can also be integrated into the custard.
Oh, I've been a liar. Wanted a finger when I started the fire. And
we are also going to be tasting our sugar. And it tastes very good, just the way I would have loved it. So at this point in time, our custard is ready. So I'll turn off the stove, but I will continuously stir until it has cooled to room temperature. Remember, stirring will prevent it from forming lumps, as we don't want a custard with lumps. So I'll do this until it cools down. Our custard is now ready, so we are going to be serving it. And so we are going to start by first putting the fruits at the base of our serving bowl. Remember, the fruits were an assortment of bananas, I had cherries, I had blueberries, and grapes. And you can use the fruits that you would prefer for this recipe. You're not constrained to just using the fruits that I am using.
we're wrong, knew it from how the love was given. I I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got.
So once you have layered the fruits, I'm going to now pour in the custard.
Take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, let me down to the river. Give me a new start, it's different now, no sinners breaking my heart. No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never.
So guys, remember, you can prepare your desserts early enough before your meals. So in our case, this is for dinner, and I'm going to be putting it in the fridge so that it can chill and we can indulge in it after our dinner.
You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, and hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now.
I hope you will get to try this dessert at home, and especially this would be a very good recipe to put together with your kids, and let us know how this recipe turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next video, may the Lord bless you and keep you healthy. Goodbye.
After the hardest night, It's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love.